Are you ready for me? Yeah, let me tell you the truth. Come on close for me. Am you ready? Everything say I'm quiet, I don't talk. I don't leave anything from my heart. I take my time for people who don't understand the thing I'm talking about this. Come on close for me. Let me tell the truth for you. I know very sure the thing about the wrong about you. You fight against me. You think say I'm free. I know that everything I take the time for my life, but this is the time for you. Let me tell the truth. I'm ready for fighter. I'm not joking for my life. The true way I'm talking about people understanding me. Whether they're on the town for the people that the one I'm talking about you. You know, they fight against me. I don't talk, you think I'm free. Jack, I'm not free for my life. I'm fighting for stay. You are don't for me when I start. If you are gone, love your life, so what the government. You already gone there on my start. Yeah. This is when I get it to people think about me. Say fuck you when I take that house from it. Every word gonna buy people to stand me. I'm not forget about what you going about me. Listen this. I'm ready for you. Don't take your way. Come on close for me. I'm ready like Jack. I'm ready for fight that. Yeah, wait. No one I get. You know this thing. No they fight against me for the time. You know see in the crowd. You know try for the time they crying for every day. You know, let me create it over everybody. The life is not so easy. Don't think that everything be part of your life. They're wrong, you see, people joke you, many things of God, they anybody to open the heart for you. Listen, I get when I want to talk, people wanna see you know, be the girl and the town for the phone and anything. The God, top people that got shit. You see the Rasta man smoke a ganja. Don't think say easy to eat that. Before the ganja finish, you hungry. Who give you food? You play the wagger. Mother tell you food. You know what a suck. Don't pay anything for the rank. People wanna stop. Fuck, yeah. What a government that people would see me think about the wrong way. People don't know. My face gone about me think some fuck body. Jack, listen. What a government a time for you. Yeah. I'm ready for the everything become Mr. Wayne. I don't care. Let's just go about me. Fuck the big things to my control. Yeah, let's do what I done. People wanna stand many things for going pillar. So gotta be the pillar of thing for the government in the town for you to examine for you. Let's just go about me. Let me lie. Let me start a pro. I'm down for that everything. I'm around. Take my time for you. Listen. God, I buy for people stand the big car for the one to take down for them life when I got a people. See, my wanna tell me, once to the care, when I got a people wanna see. Get out when I'm talking for the way. Get out the people stunting the day what. Get out when I'm something forever. Sorry, get a new people for the far. Gotta be strong. I'm a good, yeah, I'm a strong mind, not a life for the everything. Don't think about it. Easy. Easy is nothing for the real life, yeah. I say cool, no be wild. Jack, why you can tolerate use the quick bites of me? Listen what I got. You know it's on the way I feel. Let it become nobody know. Yeah, planning for many years ago. It is 8 years. Already I'm a planning that fight is not easy. To the life is it all. Jack, let me tell you true, it is war. No be like let people understand the money taking about me. Fuck, it's a try to joke about mine. To try to destroy my kingdom. Listen, my wanna say my kingdom is there. Yeah, I'm a lion. I don't fear anything. Lion is wanted. No lie into when I God. I'm a lion. No mistake before me. Lion is the wanted. No lie. Okay. If you see my eyes, it's a close when I go. It's a red show. Making me for the time to be away. You know my hungry. No be take the time for the food. It is fight when I got. I'm hungry to fight. Know what I tell you for you.